Today we are discuss about a famous landmark judgment involving land reforms and parliamentary constitutional amendment. The first case is Shankari Prasad vs. Union of India 1951. This was the major case which the first constitutional amendment 1951 was challenged through. This amendment, the 9th schedule and Article 31A and 31B were added to abolish the Jamindari system and protect land reforms law from review by the court. Famous judgment, the Supreme Court held that Parliament has unlimited power to amend any part of the Constitution, including the fundamental right under Article 368. The second is Sajjan Singh vs. State of Rajasthan 1964. In this case also the Supreme Court upheld it old Shankari Prasad decision. The court reiterated that Parliament could amend fundamental rights, although some judges began to question whether fundamental right could be taken away entirely. And third is Golaknath vs. State of Punjab 1967. This was an important case related to land reforms law, Punjab security and land tenure, and this Supreme Court reversed earlier decision and a majority of 11 judges ruled that Parliament had no power to abridge or take away fundamental right. This led to conflict between land reforms and Parliament. And fourth and famous landmark judgment is Kesavan and Bharti vs. State of Kerala 1973, and this was a decision of the largest bench 13. The constitutional amendment history, the court reversed the decision of Golaknath case and modified some part of Shankari Prasad famous decision. The basic structure doctrine was established. The court held that Parliament could amend any part of the Constitution, including fundamental right, but could not alter the Constitution basic structure. Property right were not considered basic and paving the way of land reform. And this is the famous landmark judgment.